Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Android Studio and a compatible JDK, plus a Cursor account. Once done, sign into Cursor and create a remote workspace so your IDE can pair. Next, enable ADB over network on your device or emulator. This lets Cursor forward ADB traffic. Make sure Android Studio's SDK path matches the remote environment. These steps establish the baseline, so discovery and pairing will work without conflicting SDK versions or permission errors. Now you link Android Studio to Cursor. Install the Cursor plugin if available, or set up SSH/port forwarding so the remote workspace exposes ADB. Then confirm platform tools are on the path inside Cursor and in Android Studio's terminal. Consistency prevents command not found errors. Use a DB connect with the forwarded host and port, or click the plugin's pair action. Once connected, Android Studio will list remote devices, and you can run and debug from your local IDE through the Finish by deploying a simple debug build to confirm the link works end-to-end. Select the remote device in run/debug configurations and watch Logcat for install and runtime messages. If deployment succeeds, you're set to iterate as usual. Cursor will forward inputs and app traffic. If things go wrong, first recheck firewall rules and port forwarding, then ensure both sides have matching platform tools. Mismatched DB versions often cause failures, so align tool versions before deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.